dear young men, you have amazing role models like our handsome, dashing president. And you have amazing role models like the assassin J.D. Vance, our vice president. And when I say that,
trust me, there's nothing new under the sun that I have not heard, so you're fine. Yes, we did. I love you. I love you. You have to laugh about it, truly. I have been called every single thing, and you know what? God is so good, you let it roll right off your back. And this is what's so beautiful about this moment, because if the internet wants to clip it, who cares? I love this woman. She's an amazing woman. She has a soul and a heart for the Lord. And words are words, but I know her heart, and it doesn't even matter. And you say what you want to say because I know your heart. I will not judge that.
Sister. Thank you.
People are upset with Nicki Minaj for doing an event with Erika Kirk. So Nicki just did a Q&A with Erika Kirk at a TPUSA event. Now, if you don't know, Nicki's fan base is basically the opposite of Erika Kirk's fan base. So Nicki going on stage and doing this event has caused many of her fans to completely turn against her. A lot of them have even switched to becoming Cardi B fans out of pure spite for Nicki.
Black Americans feel betrayed from one of their own. Nicki Minaj has finally joined Trump's administration, specifically the MAGA. Republicans, on the other hand, seems to be using Nicki Minaj for their top brands. Nicki Minaj shocked America when she was invited in Erika Kirk's show. Many people have criticized her for joining Charlie Kirk's widow. Also, it is such a big shame for Erika Kirk. America has turned against her because from a grieving widow, she is indulged in US politics. Her inviting Nicki Minaj to the stage shocked America. Many people speculated that the special guest to be invited will be Donald Trump, but to all our surprise, it was Nicki Minaj. Why was Nicki Minaj called J.D. Vance an assassin? If you have an answer to this, let me know on the comment section below and let other people know your opinion. I will respond to you. My first time viewers, my returning viewers, those who don't know my identity, I am Marvin, and please and kindly feel free to hit the subscribe icon below for more Black American trending topics and hot gossips in America. I explore communities all over the Caribbean, specifically Jamaica, and today we are focusing in Black American context. This is a big shame to Nicki Minaj. Is she doing it out of pity? Many people speculate it is because she is running broke. She needs money. She also needs to get citizenship of United States of America. I believe most of you don't know, but Nicki Minaj has been in United States of America since she was 5 years old. But up to now, she has not been given US citizenship. Majority of you say she is doing this out of pity so that Donald Trump can give her the US citizen she deserves. Nicki Minaj appearing on the same stage with Erika Kirk has made her lose many of followers, including Ariana Grande, who is at the top of the list and following Nicki Minaj. Are we witnessing a downfall of Nicki Minaj, a once prominent queen of the rap, queen of the pop in America? The videos I have is a clear indication that Americans are not happy, specifically Black Americans. They feel they have been betrayed by Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj has a huge following of Black Americans, but today she has let the Black America family down. We'll come back at the end and discuss more about this. Remember, when Black Americans are against you, you will clearly fall. Nicki Minaj, be on the watch out. Let's watch.
Ariana Grande has unfollowed Nicki Minaj after Nicki joined Erika on stage. Ariana and Nicki have been close for a long time and have worked together on music multiple times. That is why people were surprised when Ariana quietly unfollowed Nicki after a recent public appearance. The unfollow happened shortly after Nicki appeared on stage with Erika during a highly discussed live event. Clips from that moment quickly got a lot of attention across social media. Fans quickly connected the timing and started talking about what it could mean. Ariana and Nicki had supported each other publicly for years, which is why the move felt sudden. During the appearance, Nicki made several comments that left parts of the audience uncomfortable. One moment in particular stood out when Nicki used the wrong word while speaking directly to Erika. She said, "Trust me, there's nothing new under the sun that I have not heard." She then added, "I love you," and told the crowd, "You have to laugh about it, truly." Even though the moment was brushed off on stage, many believed it caused tension behind the scenes. Not long after, people noticed that Ariana was no longer following Nicki online. And the most likely reason is because of Nicki's outright support of all of them. Nicki is losing thousands of fans because of this, and it looks like Ariana is just one of many.
No, because this is actually really fucking weird. Nicki Minaj just showed up at Turning Point USA's America Fest for a cozy little Q&A with Erika Kirk, the new head of TPUSA. Yes, that Turning Point USA, the far-right youth org, the culture war factory. Nicki walks on stage saying she's honored to be here, then praises Donald Trump and JD Vance for being relatable. Relatable to who? Let's be clear. This is not some random appearance. This is the same Nicki Minaj who spoke at the United Nations with the Trump White House, has been posting Trump Truth Social screenshots, and is now openly aligning herself with the right-wing political infrastructure. And now she's doing events with the widow of Charlie Kirk, who literally just took over TPUSA after his assassination, and is openly promising to fight and expand the movement. A rapper with tens of millions of followers standing on stage with one of the most aggressive conservative organizing machines in the country, and nobody's supposed to notice? Nobody's supposed to ask why a global music icon is suddenly being plugged directly into American far-right power networks? This is influence. This is normalization. And yeah, it's weird as hell. And if that doesn't set off alarm bells for you, you're not paying attention.
What is going on with Nicki Minaj and her obsession with Donald Trump? I wonder if it's a citizenship thing. How's she calling him handsome and dashing and a great role model? She called JD Vance an assassin while she was at a Turning Point event with Erika Kirk, which I'm also curious about. What is the big picture plan here? I love Nicki Minaj's music. Nicki Minaj is probably going to drop one of the doper albums of early 2026. I can almost guarantee that. And there are some causes that she is fighting for that are good causes to fight for. But let me try to explain it to you like this. If anybody remembers Showtime at the Apollo, there was a very clear rule that was unwritten. You can't boo Jesus. And what that means is that no matter how bad you butcher a song when you go on that stage, if you sing something like His Eyes on the Sparrow, Sandman is never going to come out and snatch you off the stage. I kind of equate that to what I see Nicki Minaj doing in the media nowadays. She'll say some wild things on Twitter, some crazy things, and then wrap it right nice up in a Jesus package.
And the thing about Nicki Minaj is she's been gone. We lost her a long time ago. She got taken by them people a long time ago. And by them people, I'm talking about the demons in her mind, okay? And if what Cardi B said was true, which I believe it was true, and I'm not going to get into it here, we all saw the tweet. If that is true, it makes complete sense why she would turn out this way. I've seen many people, many women who've had the same type of experience go and turn out that exact same way because they can't fully process what happened to them and they don't really want to fully accept it and get the help that they need. So they kind of just, go on to the evil side. And, I think that we needed to admit that we lost her a long time ago. When she was defending her brother for doing what he did, we know that she wasn't fully understanding. She wasn't fully there. When she married that man, that was it. I knew that was the beginning of the end for her. So to see the route that she's going down now, how she has really, because she is a legend. She could have become legendary status. Her legacy is one that is regardless of how you feel about her, has made an impact. And she definitely earned her spot. However, I think that she's really tarnished all that by what she's doing right now. It's like she reached a point and then just couldn't handle or maintain the status that was anointed to her. So now she's just burning it all down. And that is really sad. That's really sad. I'ma feel awkward. I'ma feel awkward about rapping Nicki bar for bar now. I'm like, I got all these lyrics in my head and I gotta lock them in the closet because I don't feel so good about them anymore. But yeah, I'm not shocked.
The way things are going, Nicki Minaj won't apologize to his fan base. Also, she doesn't care about what her fans are saying right now. Her eyes are on the prize, the dollar billion empire of Donald Trump. Nicki Minaj supporting Donald Trump, we all know she has her motives. Republicans are using her to get more fan base, but Nicki Minaj fans are clearly against Nicki Minaj joining MAGA. We all know MAGA is a slogan used by Trump. And many people don't like MAGA at all because of the way Trump is handling black Americans and other Americans. It is not only the black Americans who are complaining, also white Americans. This page is up for grab for you, my American family. Remember to subscribe to my channel and I'll keep you more updated and posted on Nicki Minaj case. She also went further to attack the LGBTQ community, the Barbie family. She also went to talk about the genocide happening in Nigeria, specifically talking about Christians. This has also made Nicki Minaj lose a huge number of fan base. Remember, stick to my channel and you will get to know more about Nicki Minaj. See you on the next episode and thank you for watching, family, and goodbye.